Do you want to avoid paying those insane gas fees on Ethereum mainnet every time that you trade a coin? If so, then I'll be showing you how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Binance Smart Chain to use BNB Smart Chain to avoid paying those gas fees. And I'm gonna be doing this in a very quick tutorial. All the other ones that I've seen are taking like 10 minutes or so for a quick 2-3 minute tutorial. So this video is straight to the point, simple, easy, with no fluff. Also make sure to have your MetaMask extension installed and ready to follow. But if you don't have your MetaMask extension installed already and you want to learn how to install your MetaMask and set it up correctly, watch this video first, and once done, come back to watch this video next. And I'll also put the link to that video in the description down below as well. With that, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, what we'll go through for this tutorial is directly taken from the academy.binance website. I'll post the URL in the description down below for you to check it out, or you can pause the screen right now to type it in into your search bar. Once there, scroll down to middle-ish of the website and stop right here. Here are the details we want in order to add Binance Smart Chain to our MetaMask. Now log into your MetaMask and click up here on the mainnet. At the bottom, click on Custom RPC. Now you're gonna type in this information. Network name, Smart Chain. Next is data seed for the website. Paste the URL we copied into the new RPC URL box. Chain ID is 54 and BNB for the currency. And lastly is the block explorer URL. Now you're gonna click on save. Once you do that, you're gonna see it is already added. Close the window and you're gonna have it listed up here. Click Ethereum mainnet to switch back to Ether if you want to. Click on it again to switch back to BSC mainnet. So now if you want to swap tokens, you go to PancakeSwap. On left hand side, expand the trade menu by clicking on the drop down arrow and click on exchange. Now you select the currency you want to buy. Let's pick the first one, ADA. Unlock your wallet and you will be able to execute your trade. What is your wallet? It is a MetaMask. Click on that. Now it is trying to connect with your wallet. Select your account, go to the next step, then connect. It is pretty fast and is now connected. However, this is showing 0 as we don't have any BNB Smart Chain in this wallet yet. So we have to transfer some in before we be able to execute any trades. Well, there you have it. As I promised, a straight to the point, short, simple, with no fluff video. So if you appreciate it and gained some value, then please smash the like button so that YouTube pushes this video to others who want to learn this in a few minutes as well. And with that, thank you so much and I'll talk to you in the next one.